Good morning, students. Today we are going to study the photosystem first and second. So, what is the photosystem? And it's related with photosynthesis. Photosynthesis means it's the biochemical process in which plants make the carbohydrate by using raw material like chlorophylls, sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water. These are the four raw material. The plant use these four raw material and they make the food, that is carbohydrates. Okay. So photosynthesis which occurs in green plants, particularly chloroplast. Now this is the chloroplast. It is double membrane organelles and it consists of thylakoids. When the one thylakoids, so many thylakoids are stacked together, piles together, then it becomes a bunch of thylakoids. That is known as granum. And these thylakoids consist of chlorophylls. Chlorophyll is the pigments which absorb the sunlight spectrum, visible spectrum. They absorb and in the form of photons, and they done the light reaction. That is photosynthesis started. So in these thylakoids, green pigments, that is chlorophylls, which are present, which absorb the sunlight, and the photosynthesis processes get started. Okay, so this portion is known as stroma, where the dark reaction occurs. In the photosynthesis, two phases occurs. One is dark reaction and other is light reaction. So light reaction obviously takes place in the thylakoids and dark reaction takes place in the stroma. What is meant by dark reactions? Dark reaction is in the absence of light, the process is occurs, that is known as dark reaction. Light reaction is in the presence of sunlight, chlorophylls and water, the light reaction takes place. So we have two methods, that is two systems. Why this two system occurs? Because the chlorophyll A, B and carotene, xanthophyll, these are the pigments. But इनमें से जो chlorophyll A है वो है main pigments है which absorb the about P680 spectrum, visible spectrum, that nanometer which absorb the light, sunlight. This light is come in the form of photons. These are discrete packet of energy, that is known as photons. This energy come from the sunlight and it's get excited. These pigments get excited. After excitations, this molecule absorb light. There is a water also need. As per our definition, what? Water also there. So water gets split into oxygen, proton and electron. That process is known as photolysis. What is meant by photolysis? It is splitting of water molecules which form proton, oxygen and electron. Now these electrons, this is the chlorophyll A central molecules there and other molecule, that is chlorophyll B and xanthophyll, carotene. These are the axial pigments which assist to the chlorophyll A molecules which absorb, just like they act as antennae. Okay, antenna, TV antenna, just like they act as and they absorb the sunlight and transfer to the chlorophyll A molecules. After transferring, which get excited from the lights and get electron, which electron get released. This electron goes to, there is a protein, carrier protein are present in the pathway of thylakoids membrane. All these processes occurs in the membrane of thylakoids. Okay, so there is a membrane. There is a what we say? There is a carrier protein is known as plastoquinone. This is the plastoquinone carrier protein which accept the electron. After accepting electron, which transfer to the cytochrome B6F. It is a multi-subunit proteins and which consists of prosthetic group and which accept electron and transfer to the plastocyanin. Plastocyanin is the soluble proteins. Plastocyanin is what? It's a soluble proteins and which transfer the electron to the P700. That is photosystem first. It is a photosystem first and photosystem second. So this electron accepting this photosystem first this electron transfer to this process, and there is a ferrous sulfate, and here is a FD. You know, FD, last protein is known as accept electron, FD, that is flavoprotein ferredoxin soluble reductase. This reduces the NADP to NADPH. This the from the NADP to NADPH, they reduce this form, and there is a formation of ATP. In the meanwhile, what happen in the membrane? There is a FC0 and FC1. There is a complex is there. That complex, the proton is released from this photolysis. This proton are accumulated in the thylakoids जो स्पेस है ना, थैलाकोइड जो वैक्यूम है उसके अंदर जो स्पेस ल्यूमेन है, उसको हम ल्यूमेन बोलते हैं। थैलाकोइड्स के अंदर जो ल्यूमेन है, इन द ल्यूमेन दिस प्रोटॉन आर accumulated, and due to accumulations what happen, there is a potential gradient is increase, potential osmotic potential gradient is increase, and due to increased potential this proton come out from this complex, and there is a ATP synthetase enzyme is there. Look here, now this is the lumens of thylakoids, and the lumen, this is the complex. Okay, this is the complex, and these protons are present in the lumen of thylakoids. Okay, these protons are present in the lumen of thylakoids. It is a membrane, and all the processes are present in the lumen of this thylakoid. And this is the membrane. Membranes के अंदर ये सभी carrier protein are situated. And now this proton is released from the photolysis. This proton accumulated, and there is a ATP synthetase. ATP synthetase. These enzymes are present, and this is the protons comes. There is a ADP and plus PI, any inorganic phosphate. This form ADP, and adenine triphosphate. This adenine triphosphate is formed in the thylakoids and in the membranes. There is a membranes. Okay, so this complex FC0 and FC1, this is the complex. ये complex है जिसके that complex, that is chemoosmotic hypothesis. According to chemoosmotic hypothesis, that model is given by P. Mitchell, and this model is present here, and this form what ATP यानी adenine triphosphate synthetase is present here. आपको ATP मिल जाएगा. So in the photosystem first, what we say, there is a photosystem first, photosystem second, and photosystem first. Both are work together and form what? There is an electron is released, and this is a carrier protein are present, plastoquinone, cytochrome B6, F, plastocyanin. All these are carrier protein are situated in the membrane of thylakoids. Okay, it's a membrane of thylakoids, and they carry protein. They carry the electron. This protein carries electron. They donate to the next carrier proteins. In this way, this electron goes and this one. Meanwhile, there is a two system also work together. That is cyclic and non-cyclic. What do you mean by cyclic and non-cyclic? Cyclic means what? The electron which goes from this side to direct this side like this. There is a end product is NADP is formed. That is a non-cyclic reaction. Cyclic reaction is electron this goes this side, again they come back from this side, and plastocyanin. This electron goes this side, again this come back. It is a cyclic reaction. In the cyclic reactions, the electron come back, and this is circularly happen. Okay, this the circular path is formed. So that is means cyclic and non-cyclic system are formed in the photosystem second and first. In this way, this light reactions gives the product ATP and NADPH. What happen in the light reaction? The two products are we get, that is ATP and NADPH. This ATP and NADPH are utilized in the dark reaction for the synthesis carbohydrates. That is ATP, NADPH plus CO2. All these are formed and there is a carbohydrate is formed. Okay. So I hope you might have understood.